Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a challenge called the Kidnap Challenge. So it's where you make a wife and a husband, and um, one of them has to be absent-minded and clumsy and stuff. And I'm planning to make the husband absent-minded clumsy because I've seen someone do this before against Sofee Sims again. I just really like her videos and stuff, and I watch a lot of them and stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and make her white. And yeah, I'll explain more about the challenge maybe later or next video or something. It's just that I need to see how long it'll take me to make them and how long it'll take me to place down the house. I'm not making the house this time. Hopefully it shows up. But yeah, let's go ahead and make them. I'm gonna make them elders also, kind of like they're like creepy, like elders just trying to, yeah, get one second. I'm trying to think of some sort of name's gonna be Jane. Jane Cherry. Okay. One second. Get back to my dad's phone went off and asked him what happened. Okay, it was a thunderstorm warning, but me and my dad already knew that because it's raining so badly. It is just no, I don't like it. I make them like super old and wrinkly and stuff. I think it's good enough for that. Can I get some custom content? I don't know. I don't think so, but you know what? We're just gonna do without custom content. Oh wait, no, it's right here. It's right here. Um, she's just gonna be like a little old lady, and then it turns out she's an evil psychopath. And I know in like Sophie's video, um, she did it to where they had like food and water, all that. But this time, no, they're actually going to die. I'm gonna make a basement with nothing in there. Ooh, Grandma. That is a little bit inappropriate for your age, Grandma. That is more good. That is good. That is good. Beautiful. But yeah, that's like a granny outfit. No, this is the granny outfit. Beautiful. I I know for China and Japan, I use this, but you know what? I don't care. Grandma's wearing the blue version. She's gonna wear a gnome shirt. Oh my gosh, did they seriously? And I'm just gonna stop talking. Evil, flirty, hot-headed, mean-spirited, and wait no, and a kleptomaniac. Just keep everything like that. And for the sounds like Grandma peed in her pants. For her husband, I'm actually gonna make him like a teenager or something, just for the fun of it. That idea just came to me. Actually, he's going to be a young adult, and he's going to be male. I want to show you them so I can choose which one shall we. Yes, this is the guy. He looks angry like all the time. What are his personality traits? Autistic, computer whiz, great kisser, hopeless romantic, and a kleptomaniac. Perfect. Just perfect. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna randomize that. Daryl Hammer. Good enough for me. It can only be the parent. Okay, I guess there's a lap then to go make him an adult. A young adult. An adult. Adult. Comment in the comments below, adult or adult. I call them the. Wait, what? Dang it. I forgot to edit their relationship. I guess this will be our first kidnap victim, even though we're not really kidnapping him. I guess it's a 40 by 40. I'm gonna get a 60 by 60 or something. 40 by 40. Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out what would be the best fit. 40 by 30. 40 by 40. Okay, I think that one's good. I'm just gonna edit the town. be right back once I place down the house, because I only have like 5 minutes left. Okay, so this is the house, so I guess I will give you a quick tour of the house, then I think that will probably be it for this video. But anyways, there we go inside the house. There's this nice like little dining table here and living room here with like stereo and fireplace. Typical living room things. And kitchen. Typical stuff. Bedroom. TV. Bathroom. Go this way. And around like this. There's kind of another kitchen area. I don't know, this wasn't made by me. Stairs, and there's nothing here except for another little living area here with TV. And so I will build also like a little balcony area there. And then the full house looks like this. I think it's a pretty cute little house. That's why I bought it, of course. So I'm going to make the basement. I'll be right back, and then I will talk to you. So this is the basement. Again, it's just nothing special. I just added a wall there that I can keep locked. If you go up, it's just stairs there. So oh my gosh, you know something that I forgot to add to the man? Absent-minded, but I guess I'm breaking the rules. So, that is there, the door is there and stuff. And I also, while I was gone, it was pretty easy actually to hook them up. But yeah, now they are engaged. It took like under 5 minutes. Like no joke, it was so easy to get them engaged. But anyways, now I will upload this and then start kidnapping some people, I guess.